it's rolling. And we'll see if there's a battery in there. Yes. This is a little Allen key. I'll go get one. Oh, does that fit the battery? Good lord. It came with the bike.
Hey Finley!
Probably a new spark plug.
It's got busted. What's this for? Dad, what's this for?
Hang on. I don't know what that is. The badge.
It's in my pocket.
Okay, well it just popped off, didn't it?
Yeah. See,
It
Dad,
probably flexed
look at
a
the
bit.
back.
Oh, might have got bent a little. Under here is this, the thing we need to look at to replace because we have no keys, so. It does just pry off, there we go.
This is molten rubber band.
No, I think it was just taped on there. So because this got hit, you can see that the CDI, I think that's what they call it, actually broke off. But the cool thing is we're getting another one of those from eBay, so we'll just bolt it back on. Alright, so...
Found why it won't start.
Yeah,
But where's
we
the
need to-
steering?
Yeah, what I want to do is pull off
The head?
this inside panel and we can have a look at the steering.